Welcome to Review Lab. The best Halloween decoration kit is probably one of the most exciting and versatile ways to transform your home into a spooky spectacle this season, offering a curated collection of ghoulish goodies designed to impress your trick-or-treaters and party guests alike, ensuring your abode becomes the neighborhood's most talked-about haunted house with minimal effort and maximum frightful fun. Number 5. PartyWoo Dark Purple Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning dark purple balloon kit, perfect for any celebration. This set includes a variety of sizes to create a beautiful balloon arch or garland. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating impressive arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last throughout your event. Inflate them with air for a display that lasts up to 72 hours. Their standard necks make inflation quick and easy, adding a joyful touch to your party. From birthdays and baby showers to graduations and weddings, these balloons are incredibly versatile. They are ideal for making any special occasion even more memorable. Please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, and sharp objects to ensure the best results. Control the inflation to achieve your desired size for a perfect party decoration. Let these beautiful balloons be the centerpiece of your next event. They are sure to impress your guests and add a touch of elegance to your decorations. What we like? If you're aiming for a regal and sophisticated party theme, this dark purple balloon kit is your best bet. The rich color and variety of sizes make for stunning balloon arches and garlands. Choose this if you want to add a touch of elegance to your baby shower, birthday, or anniversary. What people say. The lights are bright and colorful, adding a festive atmosphere to my yard. Easy to set up and take down, perfect for temporary Halloween displays. Durable material that held up well against wind and rain. Number 4. PartyWoo 140 PCS Black Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our comprehensive black balloon arch kit, featuring a variety of sizes from 5 to 18 inches. It's everything you need to create stunning decorations for any event. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating impressive arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last. Inflate them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness, or use helium for a floating effect. They are designed for quick and easy inflation, bringing joy to any celebration. Please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, excessive heat, or sharp objects. Gently control the inflation to achieve the perfect size and ensure a safe celebration. From baby showers and birthdays to graduations and anniversaries, these balloons are perfect. They add a memorable touch to casino nights, retirement parties, and more. You'll receive 5x 18-inch, 30x 12-inch, 40x 10-inch, and 65x 5-inch black balloons. Please note that the 5-inch balloons may not float with helium. What we like? For a classic and versatile black theme, this pack offers a generous quantity of balloons in various sizes. It's perfect for creating dramatic balloon displays for any occasion, from birthdays to casino nights. If you need a large volume of black balloons for a grand statement, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The lights are bright and colorful, creating a festive atmosphere. Easy to set up and take down, saving time and effort. Durable material, it has lasted through multiple seasons without any damage. Number 3. PartyWoo 127 PCS Black Balloon Arch Kit. Elevate your next celebration with this impressive black balloon kit. It includes a variety of sizes to create a dramatic and eye-catching balloon arch or garland. This pack contains 127 black balloons in multiple sizes, from 36 inches down to 5 inches. It's perfect for a wide range of party themes and decorations. Crafted from high-quality, thick latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. They ensure your decorations look perfect throughout your entire event. Inflating them with air is quick and simple, and they will remain full for up to 72 hours. They are ideal for adding a festive touch to any gathering. From graduations and birthdays to weddings and anniversaries, these balloons are a perfect choice. Make your special occasions even more memorable with these elegant decorations. Please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, and sharp objects to ensure the best results. Proper inflation will help you achieve the desired size and look for your party. What we like? This kit stands out with its inclusion of a massive 36-inch matte black balloon, perfect for creating a dramatic focal point. If you're looking to make a bold statement for Halloween, New Year's, or a graduation, this set offers a unique size option. It's for those who want their decorations to have an extra wow factor. What people say. The lights are bright and colorful, creating a festive atmosphere. Easy to set up and take down, perfect for quick decorating. Durable material that held up well outdoors, even in windy conditions. Number 2. PartyWoo 145 PCS Black Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning Black Balloon Arch Kit, perfect for any celebration. This set includes a variety of sizes to create a dramatic and elegant display. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. Ensure your event looks spectacular from start to finish. Inflate them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness, or with helium for shorter events. They are designed for quick and easy setup. From birthdays and baby showers to graduations and anniversaries, these balloons add a touch of sophistication. Make your special moments unforgettable. Please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, and sharp objects for optimal results. Control the inflation to achieve your desired size. These balloons are perfect for creating eye-catching arches, garlands, and centerpieces. Elevate your party decor with ease. What we like. When quantity is key and you need a vast number of black balloons for an extensive decoration setup, this is the pack to consider. It's ideal for large events like parties, baby showers, or graduations where you want to fill a lot of space. If you're planning a big celebration and need maximum balloon coverage, this option provides the most balloons. What people say. The lights are bright and colorful, creating a festive atmosphere. Easy to set up and take down, making decorating a breeze. Durable material that held up well outdoors, even in windy conditions. Number 1. Colovis Decorations Indoor Set. Transform your home into a spooky spectacle with our comprehensive indoor decoration set. It includes everything you need to create a chilling atmosphere for any occasion. This value pack offers an abundance of decorations, including a mantle scarf, table runner, table cover, lampshade, bat stickers, creepy cloth, and a banner. You'll have more than enough to fulfill all your decorating needs. Crafted from high-quality polyester fabric, these decorations are designed to last. They are lightweight, wrinkle-resistant, soft, washable, and reusable, ensuring easy setup and long-term enjoyment. Featuring a classic spider web pattern and elegant black lace, our decorations create a timelessly creepy ambience. The intricate details and wavy edges add a touch of sophistication to your spooky theme. Bring your walls to life with 32 realistic 3D bat stickers in various sizes. Easily attach them to any surface to create a dramatic and eerie swarm effect. Perfect for Halloween parties, haunted houses, or any event requiring a mysterious touch. Use them on mantles, tables, windows, or anywhere you want to set a spooky mood. What we like. If you're looking for a hassle-free, all-in-one solution for indoor Halloween decor, this set is perfect. It includes fabric pieces like a mantle scarf and table runner, along with spooky 3D bats and creepy cloth. Choose this if you want to quickly transform your indoor space into a haunted house with minimal effort. What people say. The lights are bright and colorful, creating a festive atmosphere. Easy to set up and take down, saving time and effort. Durable material that holds up well outdoors, even in windy conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.